Hello and welcome to Craxoid. I am back with another review video, and in this video I am going to do a in-depth review of Pixel Extended version 5.4. I will show its new features, change locks, customizations, safety net status, AnTuTu benchmark score, Geekbench score, as well as CPU throttling test result and many more. I have installed this ROM on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, so without further ado, let's start. So first of all, I'll show the change logs of this version, and you can see the change logs on the screen. It has January 2023 security patch. Re-ticker is also present in this version. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth auto turn off is also included. Now refresh rate tile is also introduced. Also you can see the Android version is Android 13. You can see the ROM version as well, which is 5.4, and talking about kernel, Velvet kernel is used. So first of all, I'll show the safety net status. I'll run the test and you can see it has passed the safety net compatibility test. Also inside Play Protect certification device is certified as well, which means you can use any banking apps on this ROM without any problem. Now I'll show its AnTuTu benchmark score, and as you can see the AnTuTu score is 323574, which is a pretty good score. And you will get Google phone dialer, from where you will get call recording announcement, but you can remove that announcement while doing call record by watching my video from the description section. And also flip to silence is present, which will silence the incoming call just by flipping the phone. And in this Pixel Extended, this aperture camera is available, and from here you can record up to 4K at 30 fps. Also scan feature is available in this camera, and this camera works perfectly. Also you can use Gcam in it. I am using latest Gcam 8.7 and it is working flawlessly. Also in this Pixel Extended ROM you will get unlimited photos and video storage feature inside Google Photos apps, and you will get very few apps pre-installed in this Pixel Extended ROM. Also the smoothness of this ROM is on top notch, and you can see the app opening closing speed. Tell me in comment section below how is the app opening and closing speed. And you will get pure stock Android experience in this ROM, as Google search dialer is shifted towards the bottom of this screen. This is how quick setting tiles look like, which includes tiles like one-handed mode, scan QR code and many more. And this quick tiles has black theme, which was implemented in its previous version. Talking about the widgets, you will get all the latest widgets available, including clock and battery. And this battery widget along with this clock looks really cool on home screen. Now talking about its wallpaper and style, you will get lots of wallpapers inside it, and you can use any one you like. Also in this wallpapers and styles there is customizations like wallpaper colors and basic colors. Additionally dark theme, themed icons and app grid are also available. Now talking about its launcher, it has Pixel launcher available, and inside its home screen suggestion option is implemented, which will show our recently used apps and mostly used apps on home screen. Also we can block some apps and they will not be seen in suggestions section. Now I'll show the Geekbench score, and for single core the score is 545 and for multi-core the score is 1519. After this Geekbench test, I'll show the CPU throttling test result. I have done test for 5 minutes and then again for 10 minutes, and in both cases no CPU thermal throttling was detected, as you can also see the results on the screen. Now I'll jump into its settings section and let's see what new features and customizations are included there. At first there is network and internet, from where you can get mobile plan, private DNS and adaptive connectivity feature, and this private DNS does not include custom DNS inside it. And from its app setting you will find game space feature, which was also included from its previous version. Nowadays this game space feature has become the most needed feature for most of the users, especially for gamers. And below app setting there is PE extension setting, from where we will find lots of customization settings. So let's see what's inside it. At first, there is status bar section. From here we can enable network traffic monitor. We can make it appear or status bar on quick setting, but even if you select status bar, it can be seen on quick settings. Additionally, auto hide and traffic measurement units are also included in it. Inside this status bar, you will get other more customizations like colored icons, which will display colorful notification icons on status bar. Also, reticker is now available in Pixel Extended ROM, which was not available till its previous version. Now let's go to the lock screen section, and here you will find disable power menu button on lock screen mode. Also, other customizations like lock screen charging info, double tap, and a ripple effect is present, and this ripple effect will show an animated effect after unlocking phone with fingerprint. Also, there is pulse option available, from where you will get unique graphic equalizer when you play any music on your phone. And you can also enable navbar pulse, which will show pulse on bottom of your screen, which looks so good to see. Also, you can enable this on lock screen as well, and on lock screen this looks more pleasing. You can also select render mode. You can select between fading blocks and solid lines, which looks something like this. You can also do lots of customizations related to these features from here, and too many customizations are available in it related to this pulse feature. Inside lock screen section, there is VDFPS customization available, but this will not work because it's for only those phones which have under display fingerprint sensor. Now I'll jump to system section. Here you will find gesture setting. Inside gestures, there is quickly tap to start option present, but this does not seem to work. And other features like quickly open camera, system navigation, one-handed mode, press and hold power button to access power menu or digital assistant, and inside it advanced restart, its menu circuit is present. Also, our favorite feature, swipe 3 fingers down to take screenshot, is available with quick touch option. And from system navigation, we can choose in between 2 buttons, 3 buttons, and gesture navigations. And inside button navigation, only hold home button for assistant is present. Features like invert layout and switch apps are missing in it. And inside gesture navigation setting, there is edge long swipe action, gesture indicator, swipe up for assistant, haptic feedback, and full screen gestures are present. This ROM does not include use customization like others, but it gives some of them with stock Android experience. Now talking about battery, there is battery usage with 24 hours usage viewing option, also battery saver, adaptive preference, and turn on light when charging is present too. And inside display, you will get dark theme option, but no custom dark theme are available. Also night light, colors, and pocket detection feature is included in display setting. And from its security setting, you will find face and fingerprint unlock option, and device is encrypted as well. And from developer option, you will get display cutout option, which has lots of cutouts, and you can use it if you want. Also, thermal profile option is present, and you can adjust profile according to your need. So this is all about the Pixel Extended ROM. Although it's an unofficial build, but the official build will roll out very soon. And what do you think about this ROM? You can comment down your thoughts and suggestions on comment section below. This ROM is basically for getting almost pure stock Android experience with some necessary customizations, and you can use this ROM on daily basis as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to Craxoid YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.